Pete the Cat and the Tip-Top Treehouse by James Dean, read by Miss. Pete the Cat has built a treehouse. He calls his friends. "I just built a treehouse," he says. "Come over to play." Pete's friends show up. "This is great," says his friends, "but it is a little small." "You are right," says Pete. "It is too small. I will fix that." Pete starts building a bigger treehouse. "Do you want some help?" asks Haley. "Sure," says Pete. Haley carries up more wood. "Can I help too?" asks Marty. "Sure," says Pete. Together they build a tower for Pete's treehouse. "Let's have a treehouse party," says Marty. "A party?" says Pete. "But what will everyone do?" "I can help with that," says Emma. "This is great," says Pete. "Let's do it." Pete, Marty, Callie, Emma, and Grumpy Toad get right to work. They build an arcade. They fill it with fun games. They build a bowling alley. It has 20 lanes. They build a wave pool. Pete can surf indoors. They build a movie theater and a skate park and a climbing wall and an ice rink. Pete's friends all come for the party. Pete takes one friend to the bowling alley. He takes one friend to the movie theater. Pete takes one friend to the skate park. Pete lets one friend surf in the wave pool. "Is everyone here?" asks Pete. "Yeah, but we're all alone," his friends say. "We came to play with each other." "Oh," says Pete. "Everyone met down at the jungle gym. Everyone climbs down. This treehouse is amazing," say his friends. "Thanks," says Pete. "I'm so glad it brought us all together." Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe.